Hello everybody, welcome to another edition of Bitcoin Billionaire. I wasn't going to make this video, but I understand many of you are wondering what's going to happen with Bitcoin. Because as we can see, a big drop in Bitcoin. Are we going to go to the $30,000 zone like I've been talking about for a long time before? Let me show you. So the first thing I started talking about is about 12 days ago that Bitcoin is in serious danger. And the other thing I was talking about 13 days ago is Bitcoin going to crash back to 30,000. And I started talking about the possibility of that happening. So you can watch, look at all the history since 13 days ago, what I've been talking about. And it brings us right down to today, to what's going on with Bitcoin. And what is going on with Bitcoin? Well, Bitcoin is going to 30,000. Now, we are not there yet. We have found some support at $35,000. So let's talk about what that support is. So in order to do that, we have to look back and look at every point of support, which are some here, some there, some over here, some over there. We have a little bit of support here, and we have support here and some over here. And then, there is support at that level, but it's not like super strong like support. Whereas if we go down to 30,000, we're going to have a much stronger like support from a longer term view. So, but we do have support here. It is possible that Bitcoin does bounce off where we are now and then goes up. But I would not expect it to go higher than 45 before dropping back to that level. So my game plan is that I have bought some here, buy Bitcoin at this price. Okay, I bought more, not a lot, because I still see the possibility of going down to 30,000, of course. But doesn't mean I won't buy. I will, DCA down as it goes. And then I will sell some again when it goes up. Okay, so the ideal here is to basically buy low and sell high, right? And then buy it again when it goes down. Because listen, we are going to be in a kind of, we're going to be in this kind of velocity of trading for a while. And I don't know if it's going to be from these two levels. Like if we look at, these, it could be between these like levels. I don't know that. I'm not going to say like that because we don't know. But it certainly could be between these two levels for a while, right? And the truth is we could be stuck here for a long time. How long? I don't know. It could be months. Right? It could be the first quarter of 2022 before we start going up. Nobody knows for sure. And if they say they know, they don't know. But I will tell you that when we make it down, like if we measure the last time we went down in a crash like this, the last time we went down in a crash 54%, right? How long did we stay here? Well, if we count from here down to here, it was about 65 days. Right? So two months. So I just calculated that if we count from the top all the way to the bottom, we're now down 50%. So is it possible that we're going to stay another 2 months here? Right? That let's say we're here 2 months, 60 days. That would mean in March, we would start to see Bitcoin going up if we do the same thing, right? If we do this again. Now, I don't know that's going to happen, but let's say that it does. Let's say that we do exactly what we did before and we kind of follow this pattern here, right? And we can see we will be at about 45,000 here, right? Will be our tops and that will be our bottoms, right? Let's say. I don't know that's going to be it, but it's an interesting way to look at it. I mean, past performance is not an indication of future performance, people say. But look, come on, that's just a stupid thing to say. Of course it is. You have to look at the past to understand what's going to happen in the future. So I just copied what's going to happen in the past. And, we can kind of see that kind of fits back to the all-time high here. At some point, we could potentially be staying here until 24th of March, let's say, and then start making our way up. So do I think it's a good place to buy now? Absolutely. Does it mean we're not going to break the level of where we are right now? We're not going to go down? No, we don't know. It potentially could break down. So that's why I have more money to invest in case it does, right? Worst case. And now a worst case actually is a 200-week moving average. And I talked about that yesterday. I don't think we're going to get there. I really don't. Okay. Now it could go there, especially if, let's say, the S&P 500 drops a lot more. Now we can see the S&P 500 dropping a lot. A lot. It's down 9%. That's not a bit. We see how that affects Bitcoin, right? What about the news? Well, the news is not helping. We see that there's a news on Michael Saylor that he's not paying enough. Well, they're not agree with his, the SEC doesn't agree with him. So crypto crash panic misses Bitcoin's billionaire Michael Saylor, right? Who owns the most Bitcoin, right? And because of the SEC news, I don't know if you've heard about it, but it's important that you do understand that Michael Saylor is being attacked by the SEC. So if we type in SEC, we should be able to see that, right? SEC objects to Michael's MicroStrategy accounting adjustment. Not good news, not good for Bitcoin. And you know what else is not good? Russia, right, banned on crypto mining. It just came out. So they put out at the same time, right? Russia proposes a ban. They haven't done it yet, but they propose a ban on use and mining. Now, they're not going to ban crypto, but they're saying they're going to ban for the mining of cryptocurrency. Whatever. It's bad news. It doesn't help Bitcoin. Always these bad news come at this exact perfect time when Bitcoin is going down to crash it further. So let's see what's going to happen. But these news are designed to have people sell their Bitcoin. The price is very low right now. I could talk about, fair value, which I talked about in the past. So where are we at? We're very close to the right at the center of this fair value, right? Like right here. So yeah, I think it's a good buy right now. I don't think you need to wait for 50,000, but that's up to you, right? Like you could DCA and start buying right now. I am, and it's up to you whether you follow my trading strategies or not. But when I coach my clients on how to trade cryptocurrency, I teach them how to have plan A, plan B. And plan A was at 40,000. Plan B is at 29,000, but there's some things in between here too. Okay, now in my group coaching, one of the client was asking, should I buy Casta? Good question. So Casta went down quite a bit, right? If we look at the 4-hour candles, oops, let's go back here and look at this. In fact, let's use a different, this is Casta. Let's use advanced because I put these levels of like support and they've quite changed a bit since then. So let's look at that. And we could add a new level of support because now we know, we didn't have that information before, but we know now that Casta is now holding at about 51. And the question is, well, should I buy or should I sell it, right? And, you shouldn't sell it during a crash. That's not smart, okay? So I will tell you this. I have bought some right now, okay, at this price where it's at right here. Because if it goes back to $1, look at this. It goes back to just $1. It's at the local high. It's not the all-time high. It's 110% gain. That's pretty good. So, of course, I do recommend you buy Casta at this price. Very good price, right? Because it's going to go up. The software is not going up. There's a lot of things going to come out for them. You could probably make more money investing in Casta and then you can investing in Bitcoin. So, for sure, I would recommend it. And by the way, right, if you want to do it, you should go to my channel, right? You go to the description. On my videos, there's always something about if you want to trade Casta, you're going to need to open a BYBIT account, right? Go and open your BYBIT account, and then you'll get a $600 bonus from me. Click this link, and then you can trade with BYBIT because it's the only way to buy Casta, which is what I recommend, right? Casta is to go to BYBIT and buy it on like BYBIT, okay? That's the only way to do that. So what about Meta Gold? Well, Meta Gold has hold support quite good. And we can see that. We have support all the way through here. Look at all the support, right? You don't want to count that as support. We definitely have support here. And this is where we are right here now. We're at this line right here. So it's still going up. And they have a lot of good things coming. Their software is coming out soon as well. They have a very good software that's going to... Actually, I should tell you a little bit about the software. That the software will allow you to get crypto coaching. That's right. Let me show you a sample. Right. So this is the software right here right? And so a lot of things are going to come on that software, but you can see that the crypto coaching, crypto trading coaching. A lot of you on Bitcoin Billionaire have been asking me about how do we get the crypto coaching, and I said we're not available right now, and many people wanted to buy it. So the way we're going to do it next week, it's coming out. For those of you who buy $1,000 of MetaGold, and it's a good price right now, you will have access to the crypto coaching. But you got to own $1,000. And when you own $1,000, what you'll be able to do is you'll be able to connect to my crypto coaching, okay? You'll be able to connect your wallet. And once you connect your wallet, the software, the blockchain will know that you have $1,000 valued in MetaGold, right? And you'll be able to access crypto coaching where we let you know when I buy, when I sell, what crypto to invest in, and so on. And on average, you can make a lot of money investing and getting crypto coaching from me. So that's how we're going to be the top reward coin on the planet, because not only getting rewards with MetaGold, but you're also getting coaching on how to trade. Now, keep in mind, I've made millions of dollars trading, so I'm pretty good at it. And I'm going to show you how you can do the same thing by following my trading strategies for free if you invest $1,000 in MetaGold. Now, if you're interested in investing in MetaGold, you can simply go to the description, okay? And what you can do is you go to the website, metagoldrewards.com, and you can check that out, okay? And that will bring you to our website where you can learn about MetaGold. And then, of course, this is our MetaGold website right here. You can bring it and learn about it. And we talk about how to buy MetaGold. And again, if you buy $1,000, you'll get access to my MetaGold crypto coaching for free. I've charged $2,000 in the past, and then we talk about this application coming soon. Well, I'm glad to announce that we're doing a lot of progress on here, and it's going to come by next week. Crypto coaching for those of you who will hold $1,000 or more. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, go to the description, click MetaGold, invest in MetaGold because it's one of the best investments you can make. A lot of good things. We're here to make raving fans with MetaGold and give you the highest rewards possible. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, click like on the video so the algorithm God show this video to more people. And I will see you in the next video. This is Michael saying live in a beautiful state. Bye for now.